watching Channel 1 Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook and share. And this is our summer garden tour. Let's join Romelo at the garden. Welcome to the garden and welcome to our midsummer tour. Finally, the rain is over and I can show you the developments. I can show you the blooms and the fruits here at the garden. Welcome to Channel 1, growing and cooking. First, what should I show you first? Since we're already here, I'd like to show you the dahlias. Look, I left this last year and they just returned. Thanks to the mild winter, they survive. Beautiful. I don't have the name of this dahlia on the top of my head, but if you're interested, just ask in the comment box below. I'll find the name. There's also one bloom at the pond. There was a lily here. I don't know why yeah, it was good yesterday, but I don't know why it closed. Nevertheless, there are more blooms here at the other side. There are more dahlias here. Look at this. Look at this. And look how bright this red flower is. And curious about the name? And this. Starburst. Beautiful. If I'm not mistaken, this is called Playa Blanca or White Beach. Appropriate. The weather has been very cold and wet as we have experienced. I think it's beginning to drizzle even. That's why due to the weather, the grapes were not very good. This is the only grape that I have. This is the only grape I have that produce, I think, edible grapes. The rest, not. I think it's due to the weather. Still in the extremely wet and cold weather, do you remember the floods in Europe 3 weeks ago? The garden has a little share of the disaster. The tomatoes got rotten. The potatoes as well. Yeah. However, I'm happy still because my favorite crop, the sweet corn, is thriving and I hope to harvest soon, perhaps next month. And the courgette or the zucchini, they are producing very well. I love the flowers for my dinding. And the Swiss chard or the Turkish spinach also is abundant. I'll show you more of the flowers. And as annual feature, the amaranth. Look, my amaranth flowers. It's beginning to rain, so let's rush. And we have beautiful and we have fruitful pears and apples here. This is the area where the grapes are not very successful. Yeah. And here, the beans. Which are good. The rest, let's go to the shed before we get wet. Thank you for joining me today. Let's run to the shed. Don't leave me yet because I have more shots I've taken before the rain. My most precious crop, the ampalaya. And watch my playlist of ampalaya dishes. And the chayote that we rescued, well, it has survived. And it's thriving, but we don't hope to see fruits this year. Let's go home. Again, thank you for joining me here today on this summer tour of the garden. See you next time on the next upload from the garden or from the small kitchen. Your Korean uncle here, Romano. Until next time.